Ooh. Hopefully that didn't break anything, especially the laptop. Seal of quality. And yes, I actually am gonna put this on my laptop. It's actually really heavy, but that's probably because I got a gaming laptop. Yes, you heard that right. Aw, it's a little dolphin. Save the dolphins, guys. Beautiful. So somehow there's already dust on the screen even though this is supposed to be brand new, but I'm assuming it's from this thing. I guess we don't need instruction booklets anymore. But why did I get a Core i5 and not the i7? Well, that's because I saw that they were doing a promotion for a Core i5 with 24 gigs of RAM. I couldn't pass up on that. So I had to get it. But even if this is not the i7 like my previous laptop was, at least my PC is a Core i7, so I'll be fine with that because I use my PC more than the laptop. I still want to get some use out of a laptop, so that's why I bought this. Who's gonna use this? Who even uses Copilot? And there's the power button, which has rings on it. I did say I was gonna put the sticker. Where is it? I put them on off camera because it would have been harder if I was recording myself putting the stickers on the laptop, because I'd have to look at the palm of the laptop and my phone screen at the same time just to make sure I was putting the stickers correctly, and that would probably be a waste of time. Okay, so this is actually my first time seeing this Windows 11 label. Even though my last laptop had Windows 11 on it, I didn't think the sticker it had was the same as this one. Maybe because that one is older and this sticker was made more recently. Actually, after I checked my old laptop again, turns out it doesn't have a Windows sticker at all. As you can see in this laptop, they put a switch for the camera here, while other normal laptops would have put a mechanical one here, which actually closes the camera. I'd assume this switch turns it off digitally. What? Is this thing out of charge? Oh yeah, this PC also has its ports on the back, instead of being on either side of it. Unfortunately, since I have a Lenovo now, that means I'm gonna have to abandon the charger that I've been using for 5 years throughout my HP laptop. I guess I'll just turn this on and use it off camera.